All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our TensorFlow course, and we're still doing our human emotions detection module. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Yesterday, I did inform you that I had to make some updates to my imports. So let's have a look at that right now, see what's going on with those. Let's close it down. Obviously, you see we have some errors on the screen here, so let's go down here and see exactly what's going on. So I did actually get the imports to come over, the ones that I needed. That was a headache in itself. So you see here we have the Google, we have the implementations, and then we have the train. All of those came through, and they did look a little suspect. So I figured there were going to be issues with them once we had tried to run a program, but the issues didn't come from those at all. The issues came from NumPy. For some reason, it was saying that the NumPy I was trying to run was incompatible with one of the files. So I guess when I installed the implementations module, it upgraded some of the other modules that I had without me knowing. So yeah, now NumPy was not is not compatible with I think it was the TensorFlow wasn't compatible with. So I tried to upgrade the NumPy, and then it threw everything else. So let me just take you through a quick walkthrough of all the errors we had here, because I tried to do it 100 different times. We've been doing it all morning. Just see exactly what's going on with that. So you see here we have so first the module that was compiled using NumPy 1 cannot be run in NumPy 2. I guess the original NumPy I had was a 1 dot, I think 21 or 23, and I upgraded it to the 2.0. So it's saying that anything that was compiled using a 1 point whatever can't be run with the 2.0. So I tried to downgrade it back again. It wouldn't let me downgrade it from the 2.0. So I just uninstalled it. As you can see here, it's not even installed anymore. So I have to figure out a way to get it installed back on the VSC and make it compatible. But then even before that, I was just trying a bunch of different things over and over again. So you can see here, just keep running at the hiccup and the hiccup. So you can see here, it's just a bunch of errors. We cannot get it to click for some reason. You can see I even tried to bring it back NumPy 121.6. You see all of this error message here that we got. Ignore the following versions that require a different Python version. So I'm guessing I have to downgrade my Python version maybe from 3.11 back down to 3.9. I don't know. Doing that may throw even more hiccups. Who knows? And you can see I've been doing this for hours, just trying to different combinations, do different things. And I tried the 121.1 to see if I can get that in. And it looks like it was going. It was just collecting. And then we actually got this far. See, you see here, NumPy 1.121 may not yet support or be supported by Python 3.11. So after I get one thing situated, it conflicts with another thing. So it's just been back and forth all morning. I have no idea what was going on. Everything was working fine yesterday, if you remember. The only thing we had to do was upgrade the imports that we needed to move forward with the course, and it was everything after 16 with all the new modules here. So all of this stuff fixed. I can't even. Let me just move this down. So all of this stuff here from 16 down, so 17, 18, 19, all this new stuff here, all the date time IO in the OS, we already had the random, we already had in Google, we already had. So I'm assuming that it was the implementation. Like I said, this was the only thing that I had to install in the train we already had. It was just part of the TensorFlow, just accessing a different way. As you can see, I just had to put from train instead of from TensorFlow.train. The only new thing here is the implementations. Like I said, so when I pip installed this, it must have upgraded some of the other libraries and modules without me knowing. So that threw everything out of whack, and now everything's just completely thrown out of whack. I could simply just uninstall the implementations, but that's not going to put everything back to the way it was. So I have no idea what versions were what that was making everything compatible. So it's just like a complete swing in the dark right now as to what was paired up with what. So it's going to take a while, I guess, to figure exactly how we get back on track with these installs, so we can import the right modules that we need, that we can move forward. Who knows how long that's going to take? Like I said, I've been doing it for hours already, and still we haven't got what we need to get. But yeah, we're going to keep moving forward anyway. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.